Hello all, we are here today to discuss the model answer for the first round of Science 2 paper. Let us begin straight away. Question number 1. As you know that this particular round was based on first lesson, that is heredity and evolution. All the questions are there based on the same. First question, it was about Phillips. Dash has been awarded with the Nobel Prize in the year 1968 for discovery of triplet codon for 20 amino acids. So, of course, you are supposed to fill the names of scientists over here. And definitely you must go through all the scientists and their work as far as these papers are concerned, so that you will be able to fill the correct answer. Second is tRNA has anticodon having complementary sequence. As you can see very well here, the field word is anticodon. Complementary sequence to the codon on messenger RNA. So definitely we must know that what are codons. Codons are present on messenger RNA, whereas anticodons are present on the transfer RNA, and there are no codons present on ribosomal RNA. The correct word was anticodon. Let us see now next. That is question number 2. And this is find odd man out. There are words given over here and they have not asked you about the reasoning. But I will advise you, you must always mention the reason, that why this particular word is odd for you. You may choose the correct, there is a possibility that there may be more than one correct options. So whatever your option is, whatever you have chosen, you must be able to give correct justification for that. So as far as this question is concerned, human hand, patagium of bat, wings of butterfly, and flipper of well. So just by looking at all 4 words, you'll be able to guess that what is odd, why wings of butterfly is odd. Others show similarity in the structure of bones and bony joints. So in that group, what we have learned in the anatomical evidence. So this particular word doesn't fit, wings of butterfly, because bony structure, there is no question of internal bony structure, because the organism itself is different. So this was easy. Next is correlation between the words, find out the correlated word. Correlated term is a higher order thinking skill, wala question. So you should be able to establish the relationship between the first 2 given words. I mean, the first pair was provided, or maybe sometimes second pair in this particular example they have provided. So let us see the relationship between the 2 words of the second pair that they have provided. Gradual changes in living organism is called as evolution. So sudden changes in the genes should be called as mutations. Whatever has been provided, you must be able to establish the correct relationship between the given pair of words and then only go for writing the answer. Particularly, if you look at the pattern of this question, here they have not provided you the first, there is a blank in the first place. You get confused normally. So leave that. If such kind of thing is there, go for the next and then establish the relationship and then write down the answer or the word that you need to write. State whether the following statements are true or false. If false, write the correct statement. Duck-billed platypus lays eggs like mammals. So the statement is false. Why? Because laying eggs is the property of reptiles, and as we know that it is a connecting link between reptiles and mammal. So what was the correction? The duck-billed platypus lays eggs like reptile. Mammal की property क्या है? What was the property of mammal? Hairy body was the or presence of mammary gland. Yeah, properties है. But particularly duck-billed platypus मध्ये hairy body was the property of mammals. Answer the following questions. Question number 5. Give scientific reasons. So scientific reason question comes for 2 marks, and you should be able to write down the 2 correct points, if at all there are there. Maybe sometimes there are 4 correct points. You should be able to write down all the correct points. Some organs are non-functional in certain organisms, but they are functional in other organisms. What was expected here? The justification along with example. So you should give the example of appendix, which is useless in human beings and fully functional in the organ, in the ruminants. So second example, if you want to give, that is the muscle of ear pinna, which are useless in human, but they are useful in monkeys for movement of ear pinna. And hence, with the help of these 2 examples, we have justified that some organs are functional in one of the organisms, but they are absolutely non-functional in other organisms. So there is no word called as vestigial organ used in this particular description, but you can use it definitely for your justification along with giving the example. Next question is answer the following questions. Give reason was for 4 months. This was for 2 marks and this one is for 2 marks. Answer the following questions. Name the proofs available. This is so easy. You just have to write down the names of the proofs. Morphological, anatomical, vestigial, paleontological, connecting links, and embryological evidence. It's a very primary thing to learn about the words and the names. Answer the following questions. Write short note on Lamarckism. When you write down this short note, you should be able to, first of all, you should mention the name of the person. And then there are certain keywords that you should use in your answers. Let us see what are those keywords. One by one, we will see all the points. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck proposed that organisms are responsible for evolution, and the reason behind those morphological changes is activities or laziness. Heच शब्द आले पाहिजे. Okay, what was Lamarck's principle? Activities and laziness, these words must come. आणि आणखीन काही words आहेत, use and disuse. So these words should also come. So he called this concept as the principle of use or disuse. So these are the keywords. You must use them in your answer. Use or disuse of organs and activities and laziness of that particular organism. At this point of time, Lamarckism तुम्हाला clear असेल तर मग ते पुन्हा explain करायची गरज नसते. But words are very important. For activity and laziness, some organisms develop some organs because they use those organs very frequently, and rest other organs, they do not get developed because they are not being used very frequently. Disuse, misuse nahi, disuse. So because the giraffe used his neck for browsing the trees, so the neck has become long. So this was the use. And disuse, suppose if your muscles are not used like the blacksmith, then they will remain undeveloped. So these are the keywords that must come in your answer. Development of organ due to specific activities and their degeneration due to no use. It was widely accepted. म्हणजे आता याच्यात पुढचा भाग काय आला पाहिजे? Why Lamarckism was not accepted? Why it was disproved? Because its transfer of those acquired characters to the next generation was not acceptable. Because acquired characters, due to environmental changes, if some characters are acquired, they are individual characters. That particular individual develops those particular features. It's not able to transfer it to the coming generation. For example, the blacksmith will build up his muscles due to his activity, but not necessarily he will be able to transfer those characters genetically to his coming generation. Next question is, complete the following paragraph. I think this must be the last question. Okay. So complete the following paragraph with the help of words given in the bracket. Now words are provided here, and those words, first of all, read these words before attempting this question. First of all, you ponder over the questions that are given here in the bracket, so that while you go through the passage, these words which you have already pondered over, you will start fitting them properly in the brackets, in the blanks. So organism, species, evolution, genetic variation, geographical, only geographical word is there and natural word is there. So formation of new species of plants and animal is the effect of what? The effect of organisms, effect of species, effect of evolution, effect of genetic variation. कुठला शब्दपीठ बसतोय हे खूप सोपं आहे इथे आलेलं. This is very easy, but it may not happen always. Sometimes you may get something very tricky that you will start feeling that this word is also fitting over here, this particular word is also fitting over here. So instead of don't let it happen like that, and that's what I'm saying, that first of all look at the words very carefully. Formation of new species of plants and animal is the effect of evolution. Species is the group of organisms that can produce fertile individuals through natural reproduction. So why we have filled this particular word? Which word you have filled? Of course, species is a group of organisms. Why do you think much about it? It is the group of organisms that can produce fertile individuals. Reproduction, of course, why? Because new individuals are produced only by one method, and that method is reproduction. Each species grow in a specific geographical conditions, right? There was a topic called as speciation there in this lesson. So the speciation takes place under several factors. So geographical isolation was the factor. While learning that particular factor, we have learned that every species grow in a very specific geographical condition and they get adapted to that particular, and hence we are feeling this particular word over here. Their food, habitat, reproductive ability, and period of maturation or period of reproduction is different. However, genetic variation is responsible for the formation of new species from earlier ones. So, suppose if you fill the word evolution here instead of filling it there, suppose if you by mistake fill it here, you should be able to come to know that my whatever word I am trying to fill is not fitting here, it's wrong. Because how can you work out it like this? If you are very much aware about the scientific facts that have been taught to you. Genetic variation is responsible for the formation of new species from earlier ones. Suppose this word would have not been there, earlier ones, then that evolution word would have fitted here. So you may get tempted to fill evolution here and genetic variation here at first place. It may happen. Formation of new species of plants and animal is the effect of genetic variation. Suppose if you fill it like this, then. So I will point out, I will caution you. I will give you a word of caution over here while you fill these words. You may swap them. You may just fill in such a way that they are actually sounding correct over there. My piece of advice over here is that you read the sentence very completely till the end. And there is a very minor difference between that genetic variation word, whatever you're filling here, and the evolution word, which goes fit there in the first sentence. So at such times, there is a possibility, there is a chance that you may land up in filling wrong word over there. So my piece of advice is this, that read the sentence completely. Try to understand it completely. Genetic variation is responsible for the formation of new species from earlier ones. These last two words are ensuring that genetic variation is the correct word to be filled over here, right? So according to me, this was the question where you needed a lot of caution. Rest of the things were slightly easy, and as I have pointed out some important pieces of advice, what caution you are going to take. For first question, if there is a work of scientist, then let me tell you that due to this COVID pandemic, some courses have been, some parts from lessons have been deleted. मूल्यमापनातून वगळले असं आहे. So go through that, be very well aware about what has been deleted, and then focus your time and effort on those things that are still there in the course. That doesn't mean that you completely ignore that have been deleted. You can very well go through it taking very less time. And about filling the correlated term, I have already cautioned you that if there is a first blank and next pair has been given, then don't read that. First of all, go to this. The second, the pair given, understand the relationship between that, establish it very clearly, and then fill the gap that is to be filled here in this particular question. And for give reason, of course, there may be possible 2 or 4 correct points. I hope that I have given the complete description and discussion to this particular first round, first lesson question of our master course. Thank you very much.